Mwena wa Cascade Gardens Kamakis Ruiru niguo gikundi kia arutwo aciari na ataramu matiganite mekogomanite kuruta motaro na guthomithia arutwo aria matari maraingira college bata wa kuhimbiria kothi na mawira ma moko.
Niturageria kumathondekera gacira tukanyitana na partners kuja aria me mikawa-ini mabururi maguku ona mana kuja na tariu ona heno ndungi ukite wa kuruta wira cruise ship-ini. Cruise ship ni meri ithiaga maiguru, so ihana ta mukawa ina department ciothe ta mukawa, ina front office, ina kitchen, ina housekeeping, tondu ina room iria andu aya makomaga. So iyo riu niyo tupatnite nayo of late.
Thukuru wa Cascade unyitanire na kambuni ya Coulson kuria arutwo a Cascade marathomithio nginyagia ruthiomi rwa Kijerumani na uria mabatie kuruta mawira mikawa-ini iria ithiaga na meri mabururi-ini matiganite mbere ya mandikitwo wira.
Vile inasomesha wanafunzi wao ni kwa njia ambayo inastahili sana kwa hizi kazi ambazo tunazo, na tunaomba tukiendelea zaidi tutaweza kuendelea kuchukua hata watu wengi zaidi, sio kwa meli peke yake lakini hata kwa hoteli.
The good thing about Cascade Institute of Hospitality is after studying for a course, they do also have the ILO office, which is the industry liaison office that helps you to look for a job.
Naguo thukuru-ini wa Mount Kenya University Thika arutwo makiria 7,000 ni mahumbirwo thumbi makiurio kurongoreria gutura mieke ya mawira handu ha kwihoka kwandikwo.
The university is also working with a German-based organization and one German university to secure job opportunities for its alumni.
The red flags that we should look at if someone is having self-harm tendency, self-cutting and self-hate. These are serious indicators of mental health, including the suicidal feelings.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inooro TV kaunti-ini ya Kiambu na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.